Hello everyone, namaste and welcome back to my channel. So today will be a cooking vlog. As we are planning to cook Thukpa noodle. हामीसँग यहाँ noodle छ. यो चाहिँ कोरियन शपमा पाइन्छ, कोरियन स्टोरमा. यो अलिकति डिफरेन्ट खालको noodle छ. अलिकति गेडागुडी लिएको छौँ, लेमन अहिले लास्टमा माथिबाट स्प्रिङ्कल गर्नलाई, टोमेटो एउटा मात्र हाल्ने अनि सम पोटेटोज टु डाइस गरेर. यहाँ हामीसँग यो चाइनिज साग छ, यसलाई के भन्छ? बक चोय. ओके, यो बक चोय छ, बिर्सेँ मैले, सरी फर द्याट. सोयाबिन छ, सोयाबिन चाहिँ हामी एयर फ्राई गर्छौँ. अनि यहाँ अलिकति ग्राउन्डेड पोर्क पनि छ. अनि अब पोर्क तपाईँहरूलाई खान मन लाग्यो भने अथवा मिट आइटम चाहिँ तपाईँहरूलाई खान मन लाग्यो भने एड गर्दा नै हुन्छ, पछि एड गर्छौँ हामी. हामीसँग चिल्ली ओइल छ. यो चिल्ली ओइल चाहिँ घरमै पनि बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ, तर यो चाहिँ अगेन कोरियन स्टोरबाट लिएर आएको, हाम्रो ग्रोसरी स्टोरबाट. र फ्राइड चिल्ली ओइल हो यो. ओके, अब चाहिँ I'm gonna show you how will I prepare this thukpa. अनि प्लस अलिकति काइन्ड अफ किमा नुडल्सको पनि कम्बो चाहिँ हुन्छ. सो थुक्पा र किमा नुडल्सको हाइब्रिड तरिकाको चाहिँ फुड म आज बनाउन गइरहेको छु. ओके, अब हामी चाहिँ के गर्न लागिरहेको छौँ भने एउटा साइडमा चाहिँ यहाँ यो ग्राउन्डेड पोर्क बनाउँदैछौँ. So you guys can use for chicken or whatever meat that you guys prefer. And this time we are using grounded pork. On the other hand, yet on the other side, we are trying to make some beans. Green beans. And some peas. And horse gram, right? So these three के भन्छ यो बिजहरू चाहिँ we are going to use it in our thukpa noodle. यो एयर फ्राई गरिदिएको छु सोयाबिन. भेजिटेरियनहरूले युज गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ सोयाबिन चाहिँ. त्यसरी युज गर्दैछु. 375 for 20 minutes अनि 10 minutesमा we can switch. I'm gonna add अब यहाँ sliced onion गर्नु. Red onion, white onion, yellow onion, J onion पनि युज गर्दा हुन्छ. Again, this time I have used yellow onion. It is already caramelized गर्छ. So yeah, we have a potato here already, and then I just added onion. So we're gonna cook for some time now. And then we'll add some beans. Now adding some turmeric powder here and some salt. We don't want to make it more spicy, so again vegetable part ma pani adding turmeric and a bit of salt. Okay, I was adding some beans here. Alright, so adding 1 cube of ginger garlic paste in both. Ginger garlic paste चाहिँ already घरमा grind गरेर, then you can use this, freeze गरेर राख्ने, and then you can make a cube. You can use it for a long time. So we have added that. Soybean यस्तो भएको छ. So we're gonna cool your fire and we're ready for 10 minutes. Now adding few slices of tomatoes. दुवैमा थोरै coriander powder, coriander cumin powder हाल्छौँ. Pinch of garam masala, थोरै pinch of Kashmiri miर्च and pinch of red chili. And again adding few, maybe like a small teaspoon of salt. Pinch of Kashmiri miर्च, same coriander cumin powder, and pinch of garam masala, and a little bit of salt, and 1 pinch of chili powder as well. You all can see बिस्तारै यो रेड हुँदै जान्छ, त्यो टेक्सचर चेन्ज हुँदै जान्छ, कलर चेन्ज हुँदै जान्छ. We have Richard and Mayo here.
Shake.
So he's a very good
No,
obedient
no,
dog.
this is no.
He's doing a handshake.
When he gives you the wrong one, don't grab it.
Oh, okay.
Just say no, and then
He will give the right one.
yeah, sit. Smile. Sit.
There you go. Good job.
Lay down, Mayo. Lay down.
There you go.
Mayo, get up. Come on. Mayo, sit. Okay. Sit. Shake. Good, Mayo.
Wow.
Shake. Good, Mayo. Shake. Good, Mayo. Shake. Good, Mayo. Shake. Good, Mayo. You're very good.
Good job.
So now I
Good
gotta get a treat for him. Here, Mayo. Here's your treat.
There you go. Perfect. Okay, so here we are trying to boil these noodles. So once this noodle gets boiled, as you can see, it's a different kind of noodle, Korean noodle. And that's what we are using. And also, I have chopped some onions and green pepper here. I mean, not green pepper, the onion, spring onion, to add on top of the noodle. आजको noodle चाहिँ Thukpa, Nepali style, and Keema noodle. So both hybrid हुनेवाला छ. So we are excited to eat. Let's see how it will be. Finally here we are ready for plating now. टक्क बाउलमा राख्छ हामी noodles फर्स्टमा, त्यहाँ माथिबाट सुप हाल्छौँ, चिल ओइल हाल्छौँ, त्यसपछि अनि bok choy पनि हाल्छौँ माथिबाट, अनि we can add some garlic pork meat. Again optional हो त्यो पनि, and then we can eat. I'm gonna boil this still maybe 5 more minutes. You completely boil hunako लागि. Then usually once you take out this noodle, in the same water you can put this bok choy and then cook or boil simply. Tara, in this I'm gonna add bok choy here so that it will cook in the same tato pani as well. Okay, so we just now added bok choy here in the same noodle that I'm boiling. Maybe after another 5 minutes, I'll turn off the gas. We'll put the noodle and then we'll eat. Alright, here we are. You say vegetarian or like, so this is for vegetarian. Right, yeah. So how is the taste?
Yes, really good. And for me, I took the one chop on here. Very, very मिठो छ है.
Okay, Richard, how is the taste?
The lime adds a lot to it too. Yeah.
Nice. So you like the lime?
Yeah.
Added last.
Very मिठो छ आज थुक्पा खाएको.
सही छ. Okay.
एकदम सही
मिठो भएको छ बाबा.
मिठो छ है. Thank you.
धन्यवाद. Right.
शेफलाई कस्तो लाग्यो त?
Chef,
It's really good.
chefले बनाएको.
Quantity is pretty big, but it's really good.
Quantity enough छ.
It's good.
Exactly.
Made Thukpa and then Keema noodle hybrid. I'm almost halfway done, guys, and this thing really add value to our आजको डिसमा चाहिँ. Chili well, awesome, mild spicy, but lemon and chili well, it's a perfect combo for this dish. And, I really like to eat this.